Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how ViewClix's innovative group video calling feature works. So, what's unique about ViewClix's group video calling is it's the only group video calling designed to be senior friendly. Now, what does that mean? That means there's no scheduling or special invitations to send, there's no passcodes required, there's no special links. You or another family member starts the group call, and the ViewClix frame automatically joins. When everyone leaves the group call, the ViewClix frame automatically hangs up for your senior loved one and returns the slideshow of photos. So let's talk about ViewClix's video calling options. We have two options. So the first is your standard one-to-one video call where you're going to take up the entire screen. The other option is our group video calling option where you can have up to three callers join a video call. So four people total if you count your senior. So let's talk about how to start a video call and then how to start a group video call. So, to start a one to one video call where you take up the entire screen, you're going to select a make a video call button. Now, this is important because if you're taking up the entire screen on a one to one video call, another friend or family member cannot join for a group call. So, this is an important aspect to remember. If you want to start a group call, you'll select the join a group call button, and then everyone else who wants to join will also select the join a group call button. So that's very important. Don't forget to select the join a group call button to start or join the group call. Now, this works the same as if you're video calling with a laptop or tablet, so it all works the same. So when you're on this group call, you'll see it's time to hang up. You've talked with your siblings. Now, to hang up the call, you'll click the red hang up button. And once everyone clicks that red hang up button, that will end the group call for your senior loved one. Now, at the frame, if they need to end the group call, they can also press the play pause button on the ViewClix remote control if they need to end the group call at the ViewClix frame. So that's an option as well. But that's it. You can see it's very easy to use and it's very family friendly. It can be entirely hands off for your senior loved one if they need it that way. So thanks for tuning in. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and we're excited to show you more about ViewClix. Have a great day.